Have you ever failed a test so bad that your teacher started asking about your personal life? Because one time, I got a 13% on a Spanish test. Yes, 13%. And my teacher was like, Tyler, can you stay after class today? And I was thinking, oh no, my teacher's probably so angry at me. But instead, she just looked at me as if she was about to break the news to me that a relative just passed away. And she was like, Tyler, is everything okay at home? And I was like, yeah, why? Then she says, well, you've really been struggling lately in class. Dog, that has nothing to do with what's going on at home. I just don't speak Spanish. Me no comprendo Spanish. But it gets even better because then she says, well, you also look really tired in class. Are you getting enough sleep? No! School starts at 7:50 in the morning. Of course I'm not getting enough sleep. She told me she could see the bags under my eyes, and then I was like, okay, now you're just roasting me because I always have these. That's just how I look. Trust me, I would love to make an excuse for why I failed, but I just don't speak Spanish. I barely even speak English.